My dear viewers, how to convert benzaldehyde to cyanobenzene? Benzaldehyde react with NH2OH, that is hydroxylamine product from C6H5CH double bond NOH. This product react with acetic anhydride, that is CH3CO whole 2O, at presence of heat form cyanobenzene, or the other's name phenyl cyanide. Okay. Next conversion. How to convert benzaldehyde to benzophenone? Okay. Benzaldehyde oxidized by K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid H2SO4 form benzoic acid. Benzoic acid react with calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, the product form calcium benzonate, that is C6H5COO whole 2Ca. Calcium benzonate dry distillation at presence of heat product form benzophenone. Okay. Next conversion, how to convert benzaldehyde to benzene. Okay. At first, benzaldehyde react with potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid, that is oxidized product form benzoic acid. Benzoic acid react with soda lime, that is calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide at the presence of heat form benzene. Okay. Okay, my dear viewers,